Hey everyone, hope everyone's doing well. If you can believe it, we're in the 6 week of class and we only have next week to go and then the final exam the week after. So it's coming up very, very quickly. So, I can't believe, it feels like we just started yesterday. So, again, you've been a great class all semester. Your discussion board posts have been, over as a class, very, very good. I've been really impressed with your case study assignments. And yeah, it's been a great semester so far. Again, I'm kind of sad that it's coming to a close already. So, well, just a couple quick updates for you between now and the end of the semester. Obviously for this week, you have our usual discussion forum with your initial post due by Thursday, and then your final post on Sunday, and then the case study analysis as well. So for Module 6, we'll have the same two things for Module 7 next week. Again, a discussion forum and a case study analysis. And again, that's kind of the final information for the semester. And then in the following week, the week of July 4th, is our final exam. So just a quick, I just finished writing the final exam. Just so you know, the format, it's a take-home exam. So you'll be able to, I'll put it on Canvas and you'll just hit download and you can take it anytime you like during the testing window. And the testing window will be on the actual, in the module itself. Just so you know, the test is timed. It's either 2.5 or 3 hours. I forget which one. But once you click download, the clock starts. So don't download the exam until you actually are ready to begin it, because again, you won't be able to finish in time, and you'll lose significant points if you don't submit it back within the time limit. So only hit download when you're actually ready to sit down and take the exam. It is open book and open notes, so you can use any resource. You must take it alone though. You cannot have any help from anybody. So that's the only requirement. So, but again, you can use your books, you can use any notes you do, anything like that. So the exam is 100% from the textbook. So anything that we've done in the discussion forum or any of the articles in the case study analysis or the videos that we watch, none of those will be on the final exam. Every answer to every question is from the actual textbook. So that's likely the only thing that you'll need to study, but again, you can have everything else around you if you need it, but just know the questions come from the textbook. The test is worth 100 points. It's comprehensive, so it covers all chapters that we discussed throughout the semester. There's 25 multiple choice questions, and each of those are worth 2 points each. And then there's 5 questions that are worth 10 points each that are short answers. So, I'll give you a fact pattern, or I'll say, discuss this, or give me examples of this, things along those lines. So those will be, there's 5 of those questions worth 10 points each. So for a total of 100 points. So that's kind of the grading for the final exam. So if you have any questions about the final exam, don't hesitate to let me know. I will try to maybe provide just a few things to study for. Again, I don't really have like a true study guide, if you will, because again, the class is comprehensive and it's 100% from the textbook. So, that will do most of your studying. But again, the things that we've talked about throughout the semester, the things that I highlight in the videos, those are kind of the main points to study. Again, my goal with the final exam with the questions is not to find some obscure little thing that was barely even mentioned in the textbook and make that a test question. Look for bigger things, look for kind of the main topics of each chapter, and those are the things to study because those are likely where the questions will come from. So again, if you have any questions about that, please don't hesitate to let me know. One final thing, next week I will post an extra credit assignment. I'll give you about a week to complete it. Again, it's completely voluntary. You don't have to do it if you don't want to. But if you complete it within the parameters that I give you, I'll add bonus points to your score on your final exam. So if you're looking to get some more points for the semester, go ahead and do this extra credit assignment that will be made available early next week. And then if you have questions about that, let me know. Finally, one final point. I just finished, updating grades all the way through last week's grades. If you are missing any grades, so if you got maybe a 0 because you didn't complete the assignment, send me, and you would like the opportunity to make up those points, send me an email and let me know the specific assignment that you're missing, and let me know that you'd like to make it up. If you do that, I'll give you a time frame so you can make that up and you can earn some partial credit points. Because again, there's nothing worse than having a 0 just because you either forgot to do it or just didn't have the time. But I don't want anybody to have any 0s on any assignments. So again, take a look at your grades. If you have any 0s and you would like to make that assignment up, let me know, send me an email, and you and I can work something out. So that way you can go into the final exam hopefully having no 0s on your record, and you'll know where you stand going into the final exam. So All right. Well, again, thanks again, everyone. You've been again just an amazing class. I love the interactions that you've had on the chats. It's been your responses have been some of the best that I've had in my entire career. So it's been an absolute pleasure serving as your instructor this summer. So again, we have Module 7 next week on physical and mental ability, weight and appearance, and then global diversity as our kind of final topics. Again, with the discussion form, the case study analysis, and then the final exam the week of July 4th and July 10th. So. Have a great rest of your day, everyone. And as always, please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.